far as like spitters, I'm saying Rooftop Strangler, Graveyard Gang, Twisted Psycho Killer. You heard of Low Key? Yeah, Loke's alright. I mean, for a horrorcore rapper.
There once was a little boy trapped in a box, destined to live there for all of eternity. Although he tried, he could not reach the top, and so began his descent to insanity.
I rise, eyes open as the flies swarm, and form a triangle above the broken casket door. And in the center glows a sigil warning my arrival. Idolize yet put beside the ones who don't deserve my title. They drop me into this box with all their favorite artists. I pick my head up, getting fed up, but it's so cathartic. I make a mess of all these rappers when I'm lacing balls with bitten all. I left them all beheaded in the wake of carnage. This is your closing chapter, frozen in a broken chapel, molded into something decomposing by a woken master. And now I'm here to bring you fear inside this catacomb. You're trapped inside this box with me where all of my cadavers go. You put me into the box, but I don't belong, 'cause they can't see what I see. You put me into the box, but now they're trapped in here with me.
Boy trapped in a box, destined to live there for all of eternity. Although he tried, he could not reach the top, and so began his descent to insanity.
So fuck y'all. That clock's ticking and box walls are closing in. Your time's up, 'cause my mind's fucked and I don't care about y'all living. I stay chiseling spinal taps and then fake cats with these final tracks. And it's kinda sad that I've dialed back and dumbed down my shit for your feedback. My eyes stay on that jet black, my blade stay on that neck slash. Your next up to get neck cut, 'cause your leg's stuck in that death trap. Now enter through our seventh gate and wander through this hellish place. My devil sings, your reckoning becomes beveled into your fucking face. So nah, bitch, we are not the same. You are just a rapper in face paint. I'm just a master of death rain. Black razor blade to my neck vein. Bender into these wet brains. I'll strangle them with their neck chains and then burn a sparks to the fucking ground with them chained inside of my bed frame. Like put me into the box, but I don't belong, 'cause they can't see what I see. You put me into the box, but now they're trapped in here with me. They dropped you into this black box, then all of a sudden the track stops, the lights cut, now your life's fucked as some doors chained with these padlocks. This black swamp, it comes alive, then drags you under up to your eyes. You can't breathe and you can't move, so now watch your spectacle come to life. They wanna compare me to people who ain't on my level and label me crazy and special, like all the success and the thing that I got's accidental. And I ain't a vessel for channeling devils, and all of the rappers they wanna attach to my name. They are not built the same, 'cause I did it myself without labels, investments, or management teams. Just a fucking intense dedication and solely fulfilling my vision. A portrait of horror that's constantly shifting from genre to genre without even thinking. From person to person, I'm randomly killing the artists. They drop in the box with me viciously. Now tell me again how I'm giving
did, never die, never dead. The future haunted by my past, what I did and what I said. This is what you get when you open the box. Ain't shit secret to the game unlocked. Mastermind, the hellraiser never stop. Hellraiser, shit I do beyond imagination. This is what you get when you open the box. Ain't shit secret to the game unlocked. Mastermind, the hellraiser never stop. Hellraiser, shit I do beyond imagination. Open up the box, you get a secret. Join the dark side if you can't beat it. Giving you medication as needed. Making you see shit how I see it. Hypnotize ya, criminalize ya. Take you to hell with me, demonize ya. Surprise ya, still down the ride with a rider. White light in your face, pull down the visor. If you with me, I recognize ya. Not fuck it, I'm not a good apologizer. Turn the world upside down, capsize ya. You feeling empty, I'm your soul's provider. Listen up, hear me out. I ain't never scared, I show you what to fear about. Inception, fuck up your recollection. Mysterious motherfucker, so many questions. This is what you get when you open the box. Ain't shit secret to the game unlocked. Mastermind, the hellraiser never stop. Hellraiser, shit I do beyond imagination. This is what you get when you open the box. Ain't shit secret to the game unlocked. Mastermind, the hellraiser never stop. Hellraiser, shit I do beyond imagination. Why the fuck not open up the puzzle box? When you think that, do you trust me or not? Thou should not put you in danger. Unless I lose it and just go with the anger. Killer, let your face a death show. You just never know, extraterrestrial. Been on the planet for a minute. Hip to your slang and your game and your gimmicks. Let me give you a puzzle you can't finish. Of course you don't understand the game if you ain't in it. The answer to your riddle, mind your fucking business. You ain't sharp enough to